10 healthy foods to eat. Different foods is processed metabolically different in your body. They can have vastly different effects on your hunger, hormones and the number of calories you burn. Leafy greens. Leafy greens are an excellent addition to your weight loss diet. Not only are they low in calories, they are also high in fiber that helps keep you feeling full. Leafy greens include spinach, kale and a few others. They have several properties that make them perfect for a weight loss diet, such as being low in calories and carbohydrates and loaded with fiber. Leafy greens are also incredibly nutritious and very high in many vitamins, antioxidants and minerals, including calcium. Whole eggs. Although a high intake of eggs raises the levels of LDL cholesterol in some people, they are one of the best foods to eat if you need to lose weight. They are high in protein and fat, and are very satiating. Eggs are very filling and nutrient-dense. Almost all the nutrients are found in the yolks. Fish. Fish like salmon is incredibly healthy and very satisfying, keeping you full for many hours with relatively few calories. Salmon, for example, has high-quality protein, healthy fats and various important nutrients. Salmon is also loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to help reduce inflammation, which is known to play a major role in obesity and metabolic disease. Mackerel, trout, sardines, herring and other types of fatty fish are also excellent. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables include broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage and Brussels sprouts. They are low in calories but high in fiber and nutrients. Adding them to your diet is not only an excellent weight loss strategy but may also improve your overall health. Most cruciferous veggies are rich in vitamins and minerals such as folate and vitamin K. Dark green cruciferous veggies also are an excellent source of vitamins A and C. They're also rich in phytonutrients, plant-based compounds that may help to lower inflammation and reduce the risk of developing cancer. A combination of protein, fiber and low energy density makes cruciferous vegetables the perfect foods to include in your meals if you need to lose weight. Lean beef and chicken breast. Meat has been blamed for various health problems despite a lack of good evidence to back up these negative claims. Chicken breast is high in protein and low in calories, which means it can be a great staple not only to help shed body fat but also to improve your body composition. In fact, a lean cut of beef has barely more saturated fat than a similar-sized skinless chicken breast. Like eggs, steak is loaded with protein and can keep you feeling full longer. Though processed meat is unhealthy. The truth is, meat is a weight loss-friendly food because it's high in protein. If you're on a low-carb diet, feel free to eat fatty meats. However, if you're on a moderate to high carbohydrate diet, choosing lean meats may be more appropriate. Eating unprocessed lean meat is an excellent way to increase your protein intake. Replacing some of the carbs or fat in your diet with protein could make it easier for you to lose excess fat. Boiled potatoes. Potatoes have several properties that make them a perfect food for both weight loss and optimal health, as they contain an incredibly diverse range of nutrients. What this means is that by eating white, boiled potatoes, you will naturally feel full and eat less of other foods. Sweet potatoes, turnips and other root vegetables are also excellent. Boiled potatoes are among the most filling foods. They're particularly good at reducing your appetite, potentially suppressing your food intake later in the day. Beans and legumes. Some beans and legumes can be beneficial for weight loss. Beans and legumes are rich in plant protein, fiber, B vitamins, iron, folate, calcium, potassium, phosphorus, and zinc. This includes lentils, black beans, kidney beans and some others. Beans and legumes are a good addition to your weight loss diet. They can leave you with the feeling of fullness and a lower calorie intake. Soups. As mentioned above, meals and diets with a low energy density tend to make people eat fewer calories. Most foods with a low energy density are those that contain lots of water, such as vegetables and fruits. But you can also just add water to your food, making a soup. Soups can be an effective part of a weight loss diet. Their high water content makes them very filling. However, try to avoid creamy or oily soups. Nuts. Despite being high in fat, nuts are not as fattening as you would expect. They're an excellent snack, containing balanced amounts of protein, fiber and healthy fats. Nuts can make a healthy addition to an effective weight loss diet when consumed in moderation. Avocados. While most fruits are high in carbs, avocados are loaded with healthy fats. Not only are avocados high in calories, but they also contain healthy fats. A 100-gram avocado contains enough calories, healthy fats, protein, vitamin K, fiber, folate and carbohydrates. In addition, avocados are also rich in micronutrients. Avocados are a good example of a healthy fat source you can include in your diet while trying to lose weight. Just make sure to keep your intake moderate. It's easy to find healthy foods to include to your diet. These are mainly whole foods like fish, lean meat, vegetables, fruit, nuts, seeds and legumes. Several processed foods, such as probiotic yogurt, extra virgin olive oil and oatmeal are also excellent choices. Along with moderation and regular exercise, eating these nutritious foods should pave your way to success and a healthier life. Check other videos on this channel. Like, share and subscribe.